Hi students, in last class we discussed about the creation of company in Tally ERP9. Today I'm going to explain about the procedure of alter and shut down the company in Tally ERP9. Let's start the session. For more updates, commerce related subject as well as Tally oriented subjects, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Let's start the session without wasting the time. So listen guys, sometimes we will create the company in due to some circumstance, due to some problems at the time of creating, by miss we will add some unwanted information, or we forgot about fulfill the some basic informations also. And that time we need to edit the data, means we need to alter the company details, or sometimes our transactions may got over between the among the companies on that time, so we need to shed the companies. So let's see the how to alter the company name in Tally, as well as how to shed the company, means deleting the company from the Tally ERP9. Let's start the session. First one, for go to first we need to go to Tally software. Okay, in that we have to press alt plus F3. After that we have to choose the option called company information. Of in that company information, when you chosen this company information, automatically the whatever the companies you created in Tally, it will appears in the screen. And that time you need to choose, so which company name you need to alter. So click on that, and then you click the alter button, then it alter, then it will show the one more window. In that you have to go to alter session, and whatever the information you need to alter. After altering, the system or application will ask you whether accept or no. So if you click on the accept, automatically the changes will apply, means the data or alter company is altered. For shutdown, yes, again we have to go to the Tally software, alt plus F3. In that, after alt plus F3, so we have to get the information, means we have to choose the company information. After in that company information, so you need to click on the, you need to choose the option called shutdown, shut the company. So okay, so when you click on the company information, it will display the list of companies whatever you created in Tally software. After that, you need to click on the which company you need to shut down. So again it will ask whether it is accept or not. So if you click on the accept, it will delete, means it company got shut down. So alter the company details we already discussed. Okay, for alteration, same procedure. So after company information, we have to click on the alter button. Yes, this what the theory information about alternating the company. So let explain the practical in Tally software. Let's listen guys, we have to choose, means we have to go for a Tally. So Tally new window got, means Tally welcome screen got opened. Yes, listen guys, first we have to go for alt plus F3. Okay, or else select the company. See guys, here the companies we created. So in that you need to go with what, which company you need to alter. Choose that company, and that company, yes, we need to go for the company information. So we went the company. So here the options are there: connect company, shut company, create company, alter company. If you want alter, click on the alter button. So listen guys, after that company name got opened, so click on that company information, company details. So again whatever you details filled, it will appearing. So here you need to go for altering session, which one you need to alter. So we can alter, see guys. So when here I want to alter the pin code, I'm altered now. So then we have to click on enter. again. So once you enter is once the got everything is got over, see here it will asking you guys, that is accept yes or no. So we need to click yes. If you click on the yes, it automatically altered. Yes, the altered. So if you want to delete or shut the company, same procedure. Choose the company information. Yes, we have to come for the company information. In that we have to go for shutdown, shut company. So again the list of company here. So it is shut down, means company already deleted. So this was the